It's like a dream now to be able to fit all your essentials into a carry-on without filling it to the point that even the slightest touch would cause it to burst. But if you play your cards right, you can actually pack in a way that will avoid wrinkling your clothes and pass you through security without any extra hassle. It's time for you to learn from the real pros, the flight attendants. Unlike you or any normal person, they travel constantly, and basically all they must rely on is their suitcase for days or even weeks. Still, surprisingly, they always look charming and organized. So in today's video, you'll learn all the packing hacks straight out of a flight attendant's mindset. The packing mindset. Let's kick things off with the basics. Creating a mindset similar to that of a flight attendant. This means there's no room to pack like an average traveler who packs stuff that might be used once or never throughout their trip. And this is what brings us to the first hack of our video. Hack number 1. Prioritize multi-purpose. If something doesn't come in handy twice, don't even bother putting it in your suitcase. To give you an idea, let's take a lightweight scarf as an example. It's not only fashionable, but also very practical because you can use it as a blanket during a flight. And trust me, you really need something to cover yourself up when it gets chillingly cold inside the cabin. This hack is an incredible way to save space in your luggage, so maintain this mindset when you're packing for a trip, especially a longer one. Clothing hacks. When it comes to flight attendants, they have several crucial hacks at their disposal that allow them to pack all the essential clothing while keeping their luggage to a bare minimum. And that brings us to our second hack. Hack number 2, the rolling method, with a twist. If you're a regular traveler, you may already be well aware of the benefits of rolling your clothes and then packing them up. This not only saves space, but also keeps your clothes organized. But the flight attendants have a little twist of their own. Instead of rolling each piece of your clothes, like shirts and pants, separately, they roll an entire outfit together. Now, why would they do that? Well, that's because you not only saved space, but also a lot of time, as you need to pull out one roll, and the entire outfit is in your hand. Hack number 3, the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. Are you still confused about what to pack and in what quantity? Well, hack number 3 is just what you need, because all you need to do is follow this formula like every flight attendant. Start by packing 5 tops, selecting colors that easily complement the 4 bottoms you'll be packing. Once that's done, move on to the formal stuff. And for that, only pack 3 dresses and 2 pairs of shoes at max. One for regular wear and the other for work-related things. Finally, if your destination is going to have a cold climate, then take just 1 jacket. And that will conclude the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. A travel-friendly solution easily covering you for an entire week. Hack number 4, wrinkle-free secrets. Hack number 4 will solve your wrinkle problem. The flight attendants are known to carry a mini spray bottle, which is filled with a mixture of water and a few drops of essential oil. Then they lightly spray this mixture on their wrinkled clothes by hanging them in the hotel bathroom. Now for the final piece of the puzzle. They take a hot shower, and the steam from it causes the wrinkles to vanish like they never existed. Hack number 5, shoe strategy. Your shoes are bulky, and they obviously carry dirt at the bottom if you wear them regularly. Packing your clothes in the same bag as your shoes can lead to them getting dirty. To solve this problem, flight attendants pack their shoes entirely in shower caps, a perfect way to keep everything clean and tidy. Jewelry and accessories. Be a savvy traveler and avoid getting your jewelry tangled up by following these few hacks to keep everything organized as it should be. Hack number 6, the straw trick. The first hack is quite simple. All you need to do is pass one end of your necklace through a straw and then close the clasp. This is the most efficient way to prevent tangling up your expensive jewelry. Hack number 7, pill organizer for jewelry. For the following hack, all you need is a pill box. Instead of storing pills, use it as an organizer for jewelry like rings, earrings, and so on. Now, it not only keeps everything organized, but also keeps you safe from accidentally losing them. Hack number 9, belt in a collar. Aside from wrinkles, the first thing that gets ruined when packing your shirts is their collars. Nobody likes a dull collar. We want to keep it crispy and fresh. But how do you keep it that way inside a bag? Well, the flight attendant has the solution. In this hack, you roll your belt to fit inside the collar, keeping it crisp and saving space. How good is that? Toiletries and personal items. Okay, now this is where even expert travelers lose their sanity because saving space while packing toiletries is near impossible. But guess what? Not for flight attendants. Hack number 9, solid over liquid. Every flight attendant carries solid shampoo and conditioner bars instead of liquid bottles, which can leak and might get you into trouble with the TSA. Try using items like solid lotion sticks and toothpaste tablets to save space and reduce the risk of getting stopped by security. Hack number 10, mini everything. For hack number 10, instead of packing the entire product with you, try taking it in amounts that are enough to get you through your whole trip. Let's say you want to carry hair gel. Instead of taking the whole bottle with you, take some out and store it in a smaller container. And voila, you saved some space. Hack number 11, first aid zip bag. This hack is going to be a lifesaver. Pack a tiny pouch, and inside you'll be putting any medication you have, from painkillers to Band-Aids, everything you might need during your travel. Prepare for the worst, you know. Enjoying this video? Take a second and hit those like and subscribe buttons to get more travel insights. Organizing hacks. Organizing everything is something flight attendants are expert at. No wonder they managed to store all that food in those meal trolleys. Hack number 12, packing cubes with a twist. Use packing cubes like pros. Instead of labeling each cube with shirts and pants, go for a different approach. Label each cube by day. This way, the cube for Monday will already decide what you're going to wear, and the same goes for the rest of the week, saving you the effort, right? Hack number 13, layered packing. When packing, we often incorporate the layering technique, but don't do it randomly. Instead, do it strategically. Place the items you'll need the most at the top, such as pajamas and a toothbrush. This way, you won't have to dig to the bottom to get your item, and in the process, you won't make a lot of mess. Hack number 14, emergency outfit hack. Imagine being stuck in a foreign country without your luggage because it got delayed, which is quite common. So be prepared and pack one whole outfit in a carry-on so you won't be stuck in the same old clothes until you finally get your luggage back. Security and carry-on tricks. Now finally, let's focus on the infamous TSA, aka every traveler's nightmare. But with these tips, you'll pass through them flight attendant style. Hack number 15, the quart bag rule. Whenever you're traveling with liquids, you can always be stopped by the TSA. To make that screening easier, store all those liquids in a quart-sized clear plastic bag. Take that one bag out, get it checked, and you're all set. Hack number 16, electronics pouch. Another easy way to speedrun TSA is by storing all your electronic accessories in one pouch, so you can throw it in the bin and breeze through screening. Hack number 17, the snack trick. Another fantastic hack the flight attendants have is that they're always prepared snack-wise, as they bring their own. After all, airport snacks are extremely expensive, so do yourself a favor and pack some food to survive the long flight. The hidden airline hack. To those who stick till the end, this one hidden airline hack is for you. Hack number 18, ask for crew storage. When you board a crowded flight, there's a high chance that the overheads are full. So instead of panicking, give your luck a chance and ask a flight attendant if they're generous enough to store your stuff in the crew closet. Well, this may or may not work, but it is something to keep in mind for such exceptional cases. Well, we hope you enjoyed these 18 hacks that flight attendants follow during their travel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more travel content on our channel.